I long for the New York of the 70s. I know the chords now, but not the industry. It's gonna be alright though, how hard can it be to write some songs that people like? It sounds easy. We make our rounds in Williamsburg, and the dive bars where the PBR is served. We make a percentage off of what's been drunk. 1/10 of a dollar beer ain't much, but we'll hold strong and record our songs in a studio down in Bedford-Stuyvesant. We paid some kid over $1,000 a day who got our Pro Tools software off the Pirate Bay. Our record label advanced the cash, but we're still gonna have to pay them back with whatever royalties are left for us after the labels and managers have all been cut.
While more people are listening, the money's not enough. Instead of 15 for each CD, they're paying $10 a month. And I wouldn't even care that much, but the labels haven't changed. The pie is so much smaller now, but they still get paid the same. What's 1/4 of 1/4 of a dollar again? Then there's always YouTube, but the ad dollars are small. We could pay an MC and to try to increase our haul, but unless LeBron dances to our song just like the Harlem Shake,
there's not gonna be any money left after everyone's gotten their take. And next time maybe we'll use Kickstarter, raise our own funds like Amanda Palmer. But even if I had 1 million Twitter followers, it's not a new idea, so people won't even bother. I'm not saying you can't work hard and hit pay dirt, but even Macklemore had a little help from the majors. But with all this talk about my personal brand, I forgot to write new songs. Have you seen my band?